Have you ever been taking shorthand dictation and suddenly, poof, a word just vanishes? You're writing fast, everything is flowing, and then one tiny pause throws you completely off track. That moment of losing a word can feel like a disaster, right? But don't worry. You're not alone, and you're definitely not failing. Dropped words happen to every shorthand student at some point. They're the silent killers of speed and confidence. 1 second you're focused, the next your mind blanks out. Sometimes it's because the speaker speeds up or pauses unexpectedly. Sometimes your hand can't keep up with your brain. And honestly, sometimes your brain just gets overloaded. That's the real culprit, cognitive overload. When you're trying to listen, understand, and write all at once, something slips. Add in a tense pen grip or a noisy environment, and those dropped words multiply. I once had a student who told me, "Sir, I can write fast, but I can't write complete." And that line stuck with me because it's not about speed, it's about flow. So how do you stop losing words? Start with active listening. Don't just hear, absorb. Focus on each sound as it comes, like music you're transcribing in real time. Next, practice anticipation. Notice common phrases and sentence patterns, like at the end of the day or on the other hand. When your mind predicts what's coming, you stay one step ahead. Phonetic awareness helps too. Break longer words into sounds instead of whole chunks. And if you do miss a word, don't stop. Leave a small gap and move on. That's the catch-up technique. Most times, you'll recall it later from context. A smooth flow is better than perfect pauses. Before any dictation, do a quick warm-up. Review familiar outlines or likely words. It's like stretching before a run. It wakes up your shorthand reflexes. Finally, analyze your mistakes. Which words do you keep dropping? Once you know that pattern, practice just those. Improvement in shorthand isn't magic. It's muscle memory built from smart, consistent effort. Remember, every dropped word is just feedback. The more you listen, the more you anticipate, the less you'll lose. Keep your pen light, your mind clear, and your ears sharp. Before long, you'll write every dictation smoothly. No missing pieces, no panic, just pure shorthand fluency.